Here's Crabby Zoe. She took a short nap today. She's crabby. I'm filming it. Do you want to eat now? Do you want to sit in your high chair and eat? All I ask is that you sit in your high chair. Do you want to sit in your high chair to eat? That's your options. Sit in your high chair and eat, or don't sit in your high chair and don't eat. Are you ready to come up here? Sit in your high chair? You are determined. You can eat if you sit in your high chair. I'll help you. Want me to help you? Help you up here? Oh, we are crabby. We got up at 1 today. And I've been like this since 1. And it is... Look at the time. 2:59. I think she'd get tired. Do you want to sit in your high chair? Oh, now we're eating furniture. So, you've spent the good part of 2 hours crying. Do you want to sit in your high chair and eat? Come here, I'll help you. Zoe. Your dad's going to see this and go, oh my, I wanted to come back to this. Who wants to come this? Let's get a close-up. Do we have tears? So, let me see. Do we have tears? I don't see any. Do you want to eat in your high chair? Want me to help? Here. Here, I'll help you. You want to sit in your high chair? Come here. You can sit in your high chair and eat. Come on. Apparently we don't. Zoe, you needed to sleep longer, huh? Can you please shut the drawer? Thank you. Thank you, Zoe. You're so helpful. Does the big girl want to sit in her high chair now? You want to sit in your high chair? Let's see if we can win. Let's see if we can win this battle. You want to sit in your high chair like a big girl and drink your water and have your strawberries and bananas? Yeah, you gotta come and sit in your high chair. Ready? Let's sit in your high chair. Alrighty. Oh boy. Your mom is gonna have a field day with you. So, do you want to sit in here? I'll help you. Okay. Alright, I'm done filming you. I'll let you cry.